Get the rest of the young people. Asati ngoba nilidwa ngadabuka la lithi ngakhona ngisho hamba. Nivumela abantu labangetulu kwa 60 years babuye baton leader who have no qualification, who have no experience because you are useless. You are failing to be police officers in this country. You are failing to be citizens. Nibe bantu. Ningavumeli bulwane. Ningavumeli your own name ibe abused by Emaswati and the royal family, who keeps giving you orders. Sinbude, ukuphi emthethweni le order yakho? Hey, sinike order. Ibuyaphi le order? Which article of the Police Act or the Constitution? Hey, order labatsala. Begani ke nisebende kanjalo ndalithota lo linamanyovu. Begani nisebende kanjalo. One thing we can assure you. Leli al-ran wabantu who were defeated in a war. But lawa ma prisoners of war that you captured and said to them, these are citizens and their great forefathers are warriors who were never defeated in a single battle. We will not start to be defeated today by you. It's not going to happen. Secondly, as nisabi, don't abuse our patience. We're not afraid of you. You can't even run. You can't even use the gun you're carrying. Don't ask us how we will confront you, because we will. We have no other country than this one. You will never silence us. This revolution is growing. You will never stop it. If you think that stopping this bomb, you are stupid and you're fools. No gun ever stopped change in any society. Go to the army area, defeat people who are determined with what they want. Who are called soldiers, who ran away in Ukraine. We know Emaswati sent them a soldier in Russia for the last 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. When the war started, they were called to fight in solidarity. All of them ran away back to Swaziland because they can never face other soldiers in a war. Better la, but to brutalize unarmed civilians. Because it's not going to happen. Our call to you is simple. Choose the right side. Stop defending illegitimate regime. Stop making Emaswati's problems your problems. They are not. Stop assisting Emaswati to solve political problems through force. They will not work. They will make the situation worse. Our call, we say, put them on top of the leadership and all, is that this revolution is maturing nice and sweet. It's maturing nice and sweet. Decide which side you want to be. Angeke nihlule asinisabi besihloniphana nje. If you make a mistake to abuse our patience for cowardiceness, you have a problem of your ability to analyze. Mina ngedwana I don't feel it. Lama khayida lalambi kwami masotsha. Simelele ya commander leya nayiphuma italidweba line. I can assure you. I can assure you. Ndayikhotha imbeme yomi. Sitolo mathawe thina sitolo ngemagwala. Ngeke siqale namhlaba ngemagwala. Ngeke sehlule bantu who can fight for their own working conditions rights. You get abused by seniors every day, which sometimes put even your own lives in danger. You're not willing to fight for that. You're willing to brutalize innocent young people who are fighting for change. How stupid on earth are you? Join the forces for change. Don't waste your time. Wanda! Hey, two!
Yeah, he vamos con Hello? Okay. Viva! Viva Putemo, Putemo, viva! Viva! Viva EFF Swaziland, viva! Viva! Viva SUTF, SUTF, viva! Viva! Nas, Trina! Amanda's raw, Amanda! Siyabonga comrades, cishe sesifike ngasekugcineni. Ngidawucela mabhalane we-Swaziland Rural Women's Assembly atosifundzela akungabi injwayelo ke lena maphoyisa sesitelana ngiyabona more than 5 times. Siletha tikhalo letiphose tifane naleti lesilethe namuhla. Esikhundleni sethi tiphendvulwe noma tinciphe tiyanza. Le patience vele seyiyaphela. Amandla. Mandla wethu amandla wethu akuthule wemnana thula tolilwela lelizwe awuthula akuthule wemnana thula tolilwela lelizwe awuthula sisabasaya sibadudule thula tolilwela lelizwe thula amandla wethu asayime ulasithethe amandla wethu lelive lomnotho phansi ngetinkundla phansi ngemaphoyisa labulala abantu babethu phansi siyabonga kakhulu bomake nani bobabe nabobhuti nebantu babethu kuthi kulomzuzu lomfisha longaka nani nite sitokhala la kulamaphoyisa na asathi noma bayeva yini boshabanga ngoba nisibona nje shabanga usibhoko lokumnyama simnyama sona setinhlitweni sitotshengisa kona lokuthi sekusiphelele naloluvelo nalothando lokwethemba emaphoyisa eveni setikhulumi la kuthi emaphoyisa encenye sasinawo eSwaziland bathi nakushintsha kuba eSwatini saphelelwa amaphoyisa ngoba lesikubona likwenda niyabulala sineke sibomake tonke letintfo lenitentako nine tibuya lamahlombeku the killings lenwentako kulabantu babethu kubuya lakithi ngithi lesiphinde siye kule mibhedze lebalele kuyo beva buhlungu bocolani ngithi lesiphinde sibuka letintsandzane letisele tingasenabani ngithi lesiphinde sibuke naba lesebajujwe tinyawo ngenxa yetinhlavu tenu maphoyisa sicela ke lokuthi ashorisha sibomake kwekuthi le generation lesiyitelele ngilecabangako ayikahlali nje phansi yacabanga ayisiyo le ayitoli generation leyikusho kuyakwenda enengeke nime endleleni yayo lalelani-ke tifundziso lesebanitshele kona ukuthi nimaphoyisa umsebenzi wephoyisa yini yendani njengoba enginjani namuhla sitonithuma kuthi hambani nasibeka le petition la nitshele tsintsibale embabane ehle ayesigodweni emaphoyisa lebekasesigodweni itolo nakulethwa colani sicela namuhla sathi ukuthi emasotsha lawo namlethile namlimeta aboshiwe lokho kungumsebenzi wemaphoyisa ndawucela kuyifundza ke le petition ithi the Swaziland Rural Women Assembly is outraged and disappointed by the police and soldiers' conduct on its continued viciousness towards ordinary people. SRWA has for a number of occasions went to the police regional and national headquarters to deliver petition on, amongst other things, against state brutality. On the 17th May 22, the student president, Comrade Tolane Masego, was heavily assaulted by the Eswatini Umbutho Defense Force. This assault took place amid serious calls against violence on unarmed Swazi citizens. As SRA, we expect police and soldiers to be custodians of peace and law enforcers of the people, as we believe they are skilled personnel who are professionally trained to handle differences amongst people. Instead, we see the opposite. Violence continues to give birth to a more violent nation that threatens the security of all people, even of children. Such behavior by the state security is a threat to the future of the country. The police conduct continues to go unchallenged as they have become law unto themselves. Akhulumile ma-comrade kanengi ngalokhu ukuthi maphoyisa niyabathi lebabulala abantu but kude lo mela lokho. Namuhla sicela ukuthi kwendeke lokhu akuboshwe abantu la lebabulele niyekele coverisha. SRA highly condemns this act and the arrogance portrayed by the state forces and calls for justice to all brutalized people. We call for the Office of the National Commissioner to exercise control and discipline to his subordinates who has become law unto themselves and continue to brutalize people for no reason. We also call for the government institution responsible for the protection of women to stand up and condemn such behavior by the state security. As SRA, we support all protesters in the ongoing and urgent struggle for justice, including through recent protests. We strongly urge that the right to protest to be protected. Therefore, we demand now the investigation and arrest of all army personnel who were part of all the assaults of SNA's President Tolan Maseko. The arrest of all police officers who have killed unarmed civilians from June 29 to date. All army personnel to return to the army barracks. Siyacela lokho. Akungabi nemasotsha titaladisi. Nangabe bafuna ingadi abahambe baye Ukraine noma bayosita Putin eRussia. All security forces to cease fire. We are not in a war in Swaziland. The only thing that we are calling for democracy. And us as women, we are also part of the call. And we are saying, hulumende akavule itafula lekhulumisana. Tipamngeke tiklethe kuthula laveni. Amandla. The petition ke babeshaba ngisayine bonke bomake. Laba lebakhona labasayinile, yebo labanye abakasayini. Kodwa ke sendela lokho ukuthi ngoba lelinye ilanga lo munye umhlonishwa lokuhulumende wathi asikwati ibhale ama-petition. Siyafisa lokuthi nisifundise ngoba naleqhuba lekwekuthi athi asikwati nje lokwekuthi nale education bayenda idure singakhoni batali bethu kusifundisa lama-30 lang-50 cent yeni education bese uyenda 2000 utawufunza njani lapho. Nekucela maphoyisa ekuthenini you are also parents kulokhu lokwenteka le etikole nasema-university nalamgwacweni leleni kwendawo. Asentibuthe ngalabeni bantwana ukuthi nakwendeka kubo kunjani nakwakho nje. Sisukumiswe ngiko ngoba thina labantwana bahlala la kithi zahelwa ngabo. So nakwendeka noma ngangibani siyadibha letinsizi. Yendani umsebenzi wenu maphoyisa amandla. Gamale makhosikati alibongwe. Haleluya. Amandla. Asathi-ke mguli ukuthi ngabe utasimekisela nini. Sesitawuthanda lokushela sihle sibuya. Ngalokuthi ungathi la maphepha nasiwabeka nje vele angene emdasibini. Kube bede naleti impendulo kanye leti ma-contacts ethu suke siwabhalile ukuthi siyacela leti impendulo sibe khona masinyane kube bede lesiphendulwayo. Ingabe singavelani sesinikwa nguwe nje ukuthi sivelenile. Wathina nakusasa singabe silapho.
Cha asibonge ukuthi senivelile la kuletha nawo umlayelo lesiniketa wona utawuthathwa umikise kunabafanele kutabange bona batazivetela ukuthi uma kanjani. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Inhlangano ye-Swaziland Rural Women's Assembly lamhla ke ithatha sishukumiso yamasha yakhona emaphoyiseni kaManzini lapho beyimikise khona tikhalo tekuthi emaphoyisa nemasotsha asekeme kubabulalela abantwana emasotsha asekeme ke kudubula bona abantwana njengoba ke kuphindze kubuye kube intamane yabo emakhaya bakhala ukuthi bomake labantwana labaxhwalisako labantwana labadutshulwako labete nemilente kuphindze kube intamane yabo khona lethi ibhedlela lokukosa ukuthi bakube ngibophindze lababanabekelisako baphindze kube ngibole baphindze batawubanaka khona ke esibhedlela kanti ke sikhona khona ke kaManzini lapha kubomake bakhona khona noma sibona ke Emaswati lamahla bafake tona tembatho letimnyama bathi ke bona sebathiniwe njengoba bagcoka nje sebafana lebantu labafaka etinzilo ngoba bathi uthi kutawuqhubekani uma kusuka khona lana kanti sikhona headquarters emaphoyiseni kaManzini nihleli naye ke Situfuza we country Swaziland Democratic News sikaManzini. Njoba ke kungiyo inhlangano yabo ke bomake edolobheni kaManzini lebe ihamba ke yawuthula ke tona tikhalo tayo khona ke kaManzini lapho bathi ke bomake sebathiniwe kuhlinzelwa noma ke kubulawe labantwana ngoba labantwana banakwa ngibole emakhaya kuphindze kube ngibona bomake labalala khona lethi ibhedlela kuphindze kube ngibola bomake la ngibola banabelisa bona abantwana kuphindze kube ngibola bomake la phindze bathi bonela ukuthi benta njani kubo ke bantwana njoba emaphoyisa nawo ke emasotsha afika ashaye ashiye khona lapho bese ke akaselandzeleli bakhalile ke bomake bathi lokhu ke kumele kuphele kubulawa labantwana akuphele kubulawa kwaMaswati ngoba ngibo labathi buhlungu bemhelo ngibo labathi buhlungu bekukhulisa umntana kubhlungu kepha ingati yemntana nasayitawusuka ichiseke ngalendlela siyiSwaziland Democratic News sikhona kaManzini sikulethela dona ke tishisa tingakahlutwa sitawuqhubeka silalele ukuthi engabe vele lethi khalo tabo tiyemukeleka yini. Kanti lemva kokushiya yona ke ipetition epolice headquarters kaManzini bonake laba sebangelela khona ke titalati takhona ke kaManzini lapha ke Solomane bathi livile makhosikati aseliviwe Emaswati akasukume ayakeleke kuvuma kubulawula kubantwana. Mama wema mama wema wema mama wema mama wema mama wema Nibheka kunye. Oh. Solo setitala tintakhona kamanzini Emaswati lamahle sihamba nayo imbokodo lethi sayithiniwe kungakasukumi bona phasi bona labathi umhelo labathi kukhulisa umthana kude nje letawuke sayilunga kulelive sikhona khona ke Emaswati lamhla kaManzini lapho khona imbokodo beyimasha khona besinilethele leto ke Emaswati lamahle njengoba beyihambile ke iyawubika ukuthi asekube ukubulawa kwabantwana babo. Siswaziland Democratic News sisema edolobheni kaManzini kanti benihlethi ke naye isitufuza we country.